258, we can now distinguish between empty tile space and void space. So there's space where tiles can go, and there's space that kills you if you go into it. Two different spaces. In the shader source macro section, we've added these different power of 2 tiles for cosmetic changes. In the bathroom tile snap grid section, we've added an inset of 3 pixels by taking the number of discrete units per pixel, multiplying by 3. This is the addressing space for all of the different tile sizes, and this is going to create the inset on the left and top edges of our tile. Then, down here in the inset tile math section that we've newly created for code that we previously wrote, we are doing cosmetic changes here. And then we're adding an inset value here. We're adding this value, and that's going to create the inset on the right and bottom of the tile. So once we have this gradient kind of inset, so if we want to look at the inset that we're trying to create here, we're trying to create this inset. So we have this gradient here that goes from 0% to 100%. We want to remap that to 0 to 100% here. That's all we're trying to do. So once we've remapped this gradient in tile inset math, we want to go down here, and we want to take that gradient, and we want to mirror it back onto itself so that black is in the top left and black is also in the bottom right corner, and the 100% pixels are in the middle. Then we're going to take the min of the x and the y to create a diamond gradient, and then this step function is going to flatten out that diamond gradient to get the final flat bathroom tile kind of thing that we're rendering. So we want to take this color and we just want to output it on all 3 color channels to get that flat black or white color we're rendering, and that's it. So here's the people on YouTube I'm stalking who are developers. Here's what I did previously. Here's all of our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you're going to have to go to this video because we don't have time here. This is where you are. Source code here, email me here. You have been on video number 258. Like and subscribe.